Hello everyone. Today's our topic is remodeling. Remodeling in a construction. So what is a remodeling? Remodeling is a defined as altering a structure, whether this alteration is exterior or interior, from original structures. Means we can remodel the original structure, or we can add some alteration to the existing structure. So now we can see the commercial remodeling. So here is a commercial shop which is Sai Chinese which is in Nasik. So here is a sitting area or we can say the dining area, and the adjacent it is a kitchen area. So we can see here the metal beams are introduced here. For the Here is a mezzanine floor is introduced for the sitting area which is on upper floor. So here, so this is the shop. There are two commercial shop which owned by the Sai Chinese, and afterwards, so the height of the both shop are the 4.5 meter. So to add the mezzanine floor, they they cut the wall up to the means like they left the distance of the 2.4 meter, and afterwards the intermediate wall is cut or removed. Then for the mezzanine floor, the metal frames are used. So we can see here, here is a plan. So this red color is a I section, or the primary metal beam. Then, when the primary beam is introduced, then the secondary, which is in a blue color. So these are secondary beams, and afterwards the tertiary beams, or the yellow ones are added. And after the framing is completed, the concrete is poured in the frame, and we can see here afterwards this sitting area is the floor is ready, and afterwards the staircase is introduced. To to stable the structure and the to support the staircase, the vertical metal member is introduced. So here's the video. We can see how the tertiary beams are exposed, and here is the staircase, and the ceilings are also introduced. Like here is a concrete pour, and then the ceiling is introduced. Then we we can see the how the staircase is introduced here by the metal joinings, and here is the which is a usable space is created on upper floor with the ceiling also. If we can see this floor, we cannot tell that is it remodeling or there is no change, but it is a remodeling space. We can see here the existing windows, ventilation windows are there. The beams are the structural member which is already there, and all the members, all the metal members, which is column, then the beams are uh, precast and welded. Means like there are already the screwing fittings are there. So we just installed on a site, and then the because of the concrete pouring, the slab is looking like it's a structural member. So next is a residential remodeling. So this is a girl hostel which is in Nasi. So we can see here, first the so here's the hostel plan. We can see here there are two toilets and the dormitory area. So dormitory is a large halls provided for the residents. So the whole area we can first they use the space by differentiate the space is differentiated by the curtains. Like the space is divided by the curtains, which is the temporary for that time. But afterward, for the need, they introduced the new columns and the beams to the structure and the walls, which they create the rooms out of it, and different rooms are then created here, and the all the rooms are having the different toilets area and the room. We can see here. So this is the one room which is it is the latest remodel remodeling. So here we can see this wall and this. So these areas are remodeled. So they both walls are construct remodeled. Remodeling is like it is alteration in the dormitory hall. So the walls are added, the toilet space are created afterwards. The all walls are remodeled. So next is a industrial remodeling. So here is the industrial typology. So we can see here this is the C-shaped building. We can see here. So the remodel is happened in outdoor space. So this existing building is like C-shape, and they wanted the leisure activity happened on the outside area. So they remodeled the outside area. We can see here how it is. So the existing building is a load bearing structure, so which does not hold the more load. So because of they use the lightweight metal structure construction. So we can see here how they construct the habitable space. So we can see here the first they introduce the vertical member, which is a metal column. Then afterwards, the intermediate ridge of the pitch roof is introduced. Means here is the roof. So here is the first corner of the building, and here is the another corner of it. So the both corner the ridge is attached on the both corner, and afterwards the rafters are introduced. So the rafters are joined at one end to the load bearing structure, and other in the column by the column. So the roof is supported by the main structure and this column. And we also see the intermediate bridge which here. So the bridge is connected these two spaces, which is the main industrial area and the leisure activity space. And space is created like enclosed area. So where the semi private area we can say. So the glass is also provided here to vision, and the very nice activity area is created here. So this whole structure is lightweight structure, and the